Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Ford Fusion oil light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate and press both the accelerator and brake pedals at the same time. You will need to hold these pedals down firmly for approximately 20 seconds. This initial step is crucial for initiating the reset process. As you hold the pedals, keep an eye on your dashboard display. You should see the oil change required message. Continue holding the pedals until this message begins to flash and then completely disappears from the screen. Once the message is gone, you can release both the accelerator and brake pedals. This indicates the system is registering the reset command. To confirm the reset was successful, turn your ignition completely off. Then, start your engine as you normally would. Check your dashboard again. The oil change required message should no longer be present, and your oil light should be off. If the light remains on, you may need to repeat the process carefully from the beginning. If the oil light remains illuminated after attempting the reset, don't worry. Simply repeat the steps, ensuring you hold the pedals for the full 20 seconds and observe the message disappearing. Always ensure your vehicle has had a recent oil change before resetting the light. Remember, this light is a reminder, not an indicator of current oil level. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.